Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how to make the linked double crochet. Before we begin, I thought I'd start by showing you the differences between the two stitches. Here we have our linked double crochet, and as you can see there aren't very many holes or gaps in between our stitches, whereas over here with our regular double crochet there are. However, they're both great stitches, so you can have an experiment and you can play around with it to see which of the two work best for your project. Taking a yarn of your choice, you want to begin by making a slip knot. Then chain your desired amount, plus 2 extra chains. I'm chaining 16. So here we have my chain, and now we're going to be working into the second chain from your hook. So that's this one here. Now, with a regular double crochet, you would yarn over and then insert your hook into a chain. Instead, we're going to find this second chain, we're going to insert our hook into it, yarn over and pull up a loop. This is the equivalent of the yarn over that you would normally do. Now, find the next chain, insert your hook into it, yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Now we're going to make our double as usual. So yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So this is our very first double crochet. Now I'm just going to take my hook out just to show you a bit better. But if you look at the very front of your stitch, you'll see this little horizontal bar. So that's this one right here. We're going to be working underneath that. So take your hook and finding that little bar, insert your hook underneath it, like this. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now move on to the very next chain. So that's this one here. Insert your hook into it, yarn over and pull up a loop. From here, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And that is your second linked double crochet. We're going to continue in this way for the whole of your chain. So, as we did before, you're going to find that front bar, you're going to insert your hook underneath it, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then move on to your next chain. Insert your hook into it, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then make your double. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So go ahead, pause the video, and I'll meet you when I get to the end of my chain. So I'm just coming to the end of row 1, and this is what it looks like. So you can see here that there's this long line that runs across the centre of the front. This shows that all of your stitches are linked. Now from here, row 2 and onwards is exactly the same. Begin by chaining 2. Then turn your work. Now this chain 2 does not count as a stitch. Finding that first chain, so that's this one here, insert your hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Then find the first stitch of the row, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then make your double as normal. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we're going to do exactly as we did for row 1. So we're going to find this little bar at the front, we're going to insert our hook underneath it, yarn over and pull up a loop. Moving on to the next stitch, you're going to insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. And then you can make your double. And that's it. You're just going to continue in this way all the way along for row 2. Working under that very front horizontal bar and into the next stitch. Then at the end of the row, you can chain 2 and turn your work. And that is it. that's how you make the linked double crochet. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you have any comments or questions, please let me know down below. And as always, happy crocheting!